to a brand new episode of the Panther Roar. I'm Brindley Keepers.
And I'm Jacob Wilmering. Today is Tuesday, May 12, 2026. It is a day 3. Thank you to all the nurses in our school district to help us stay healthy.
This weather will be cloudy with a high of 74 and a low of 49 and a chance of rain. Is the warmer weather finally here to stay?
Our Panther purpose is I can build confidence and embrace the future. Building confidence helps you be successful in school even when things might be tough.
When you embrace the future, you're excited for what's coming up. You are confident that you will do well in school in the days to come. You'll have a great future because of it. The news team knows you all can do it.
Today's lunch is grilled chicken on a bun, tater tots, garden salad, and a choice of fruit. We'll be right back after hearing some good news from the first grade neighborhood.
I'm going to go to the Children's Museum for one of our field trips.
Awesome! Who else?
I'm going to go to an Eagle Center, and my summer birthday's coming up.
Woo! Wow!
Beginning on the weekend!
Yes! Who else? Nice and loud. Share something good that happened to you.
My cat is pregnant. I'm going to gymnastics.
Nice and loud. Try one more time.
I'm going to gymnastics.
Oh! Sounds like fun! Oh my
It's
God.
time for Recess Report with Grace. We have expectations to follow out at recess. So Grace is going to give us a report on how to follow expectations with help of some fellow 5th graders.
Let's go out to the playground where Grace and a helper are at the monkey bars.
Welcome back to the Recess Report. Today we're doing the monkey bars, and this is how to correctly use them. Thanks to Clara for showing us how to correctly use the monkey bars. Back to you.
Thank you to Grace and the 5th graders for showing us how to use monkey bars. Make sure to follow expectations at recess.
There are no birthdays to celebrate today. Happy birthday tomorrow to Dolores Kuski and Raymond Stanley Sass. The news team hopes you all have a great day.
You know the students and teachers at EES? It's time for another Two Truths and a Lie edition. Teacher edition. Reuben was able to play with Miss Jahnke. Let's go to the 4th grade to see if Reuben could figure out what the lie was.
We're here with Miss Jahnke for Two Truths and a Lie.
Okay, my first one is I have never lived in Ellsworth. I had guinea pigs when I was growing up, and that I love tomatoes.
Okay, ES, what do you think? I think you had, your lie is you had guinea pigs when you were younger.
I did actually have 2 guinea pigs. My lie is that I love tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
Thank you, Miss Jahnke. Back to you.
Thanks to Miss Jahnke for taking time out of her busy schedule to play Two Truths and a Lie with Reuben. Today's trick of the day: what has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? I wonder.
I don't know.
A bed. Ha 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 ha. It's time for another This or That. Let's find out what people at EES like best from the choices they're given.
Oakley visited with the students from Miss Hoyt and Miss Peterson's 4th grade class to play. Let's go to Oakley and hear what the 4th graders had to say.
We're here with playing This or That. We're here with Reuben from Mrs. Hoyt and Peterson's class.
Nick from Mrs. Peterson's class.
Matt Rupert from Miss Peterson's class. The first question is, pizza or tacos? Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. The second question is, football or baseball?
Baseball.
Baseball. Baseball. The third question is, gym or outside? Gym.
Outside.
Gym. The third question is Barbie or Ken? Barbie.
Ken.
Ken. The fifth question is music or art? Music.
Art. Music.
That's this or that.
Say. Thanks to the fourth graders for sharing what they liked best from this or that. Yeehaw, cowboy. We keep getting great videos sent to us.
That's quite exciting, even though I'm not a cowboy. I did come prepared, and I thought I could show ES my new juggle routine.
Yeah, you know.
No.
Why?
You don't want
Why
to
not,
juggle.
though?
Help me. No. We know you can probably juggle many things at a time, but right now it's time to roll the clips.
It's time for name, dad, teacher, back to you.
Clips. Right. Thanks to the EES students for the great videos.
ES, are you ready for today's mystery teacher? This teacher's favorite hobby is photography. Their favorite season is summer, and one of their favorite sports is football.
Is this teacher Miss Johnson, Miss Finke, or Miss Bench? The correct answer is Miss Jensen. Yeah, Miss Jensen. Thanks for playing our favorite game, EES. Name that teacher.
That's today's episode of the Panther Roar. We'll be back again Thursday with a brand new episode.
Yes, new episode still rule. Talk to the news team with any new ideas and keep sending us new videos.
Thursday we'll be back to hear what fourth graders have been reading and guess the Disney character. In the first grade, Mrs. Bench's class has been challenged for the lip sync challenge. We will see a video or two this week.
You don't want to miss it. Yes, let's have a great week. Keep building confidence and do your best to improve each day. Amen. And always remember, go Panthers!
We're going to try this part.
What's happened to you?
I got.
Come.
I'm having this.
You're happy?
My recital's coming up, and today it's my brother's birthday. I got new kicks.
There you go.
Last month my cow had a baby.
Hello.
I'm
Something
happy.
good's happened to you?
Played with my brother.
Yes.